I'm gonna show you how to play Mario Kart World. So first, you need to bring these shoes, then put them on, and show you how to get outside. Open the door. Now get like $1,000. After that, you need to get the Switch 2, and if you want to know how you get the Switch 2, ask them, say, one Switch 2 please, and he will give you this box right here that is on perfect condition, and you need to require the money that you spent, and he will give you change. So let's open it. Now place it to the table like this. Now the next step is to open the box and shape it like this. So you need to buy the Mario Kart World. Put these shoes again like this, and remember the same steps you go. In 1991, George Washington, and you need to say one Mario Kart World please, and use the money. It's like $80 or $67. Now you need to put this right here, and you need to grab the Switch 2. No. Open the case and open it like this, and grab the cartridge. You have to read the entire thing. The wall erasing waves. Well, I'm not reading all of this, but you need to read the entire back manual, even the front manual. Open it like this. I'm gonna show you how to put it correctly. If you do this wrongly, I will show you how to do it correctly. Do not put this like this, this, and this. And this! To do that, now close it like here. Press it and press this button. Now you have to go to the here. Now press the letter A like this. No, press the letter C. You have to press the same button. For example, the home button. No, this. Like this. 2, 3. Press any button if you want to. 2, 3. 1. Now, go click on this and choose what account you want to use. I choose this. Now wait for the loading screen and blow the entire Switch too. For example, oops, the game didn't work. I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you want to make it work, blow the cartridges like this side. Do the door on this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. Only this side. Now blow the cartridge in 3, 2, 1. Now, make sure to press it right here. Then, press this button again. Now, tap on this, and I'll choose this. Now it should work, but wait until it loads for 20 or 67 seconds. Now it will work, so press this button. Now click on this button, P1. Now click on the Grand Prix. Now pick a character, any character. Choose the L guy. Actually, no. You can choose what any character you want to. Now, the best card is this card. Now, press the letter A. 3, 2, 1. Now, choose this button. Click on here. But if you don't want to know, scroll down to go to the manual. Now, read the techniques. Like this. During the countdown, at the start of the place, press and hold the A button when 2 appears and give yourself boost when the race starts. Read all of this until you should read all of these. And click rules and click this. Now, go back. Make sure to choose this button right here. And press Okay? See, it says start Grand Prix. So it says okay. Now press the button. Now we have to wait until I show it to you. The gameplay. A tutorial, just hit this button right here and this button, like this button, and hit this. Now all you have to do is open the box and get this item. So do this and this. Not yet. Now we can go to pressing this button. Now all you have to do is press this button, the letter A, or tap this, okay? Like for example. Now you need to wait for the 2 to start, okay? Skip that entire cutscene and now hold this button, okay? For example. You need to wait for the race, okay? I know how to drift though. You have to press the alt button if you want to turn, so I recommend doing that. This I'm at one hand. If you want to subscribe, watch the next video. So I recommend it. Now, if you want to go press an item, click on this button here. If you want to get it without going here, try going to this button here. Now, to the Nintendo eShop, go on this button. Now, look up Mario Kart World. But if you don't want to do it, you have to. You're going to press to search Mario Kart World. Type these letters and press this button right here. Now, go to this button, because I'm Canadian. Now, press continue. But I'm not going to do it, so you have to do it by your own. So, if you want to go play retro games like these, click on this version. But if you have a digital gift card, go here and enter the code from that. I don't have it though. I have the physical version of Mario Kart World, okay? If you want to go online, press the letter C. Don't tell me what word is it. So click on this button. Now wait, okay? After that a little long time, you can play online with your besties. If you want to pause, press this button. Now press this button right here. After that, press this. So grab your plushie like this now and break it right over here. Now turn yourself into the Switch 1. Perfect. It's now a Switch 1. Now you can play this game in 720 HP. Now press the. No, I don't have. Go to Mario Wonder and 3, 2, 1, go.